Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is EMV Jame here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to swipe and everything you need to swipe. I sell software, so if you need software, just join my Telegram in the link in bio. Sell the cheapest shit ever. Won't find a better deal. So, yeah, my Telegram is in my description, but let's get into this. So, first thing, here's the hardware. I went through this on my last video, but yeah, you need these, the Bodno unfused J2A040 cards. Make sure they're Bodno because I swear I've bought 3 different types of cards. This was the only one that worked. If you buy the wrong card, you put that shit in your OmniKey, it will say, make sure it's JCOB 020, 0240, chain J2R failed. Right? So don't mess up. Yeah, so don't mess that up. Get these cards. You can get smaller portions. You can get like 1 card. If you're not trying to spend $80, they are reusable, so you could just do that. Next thing, you want the Defton card reader MSR605X. This is what writes the mag strip on the card, the black strip on the back of your card, which is used for like swiping cards instead of inserting cards, like with using the chip. And then this is for writing the chip. This is how you write the chip with the OmniKey. And yeah, writing the mag strip is a lot easier than the OmniKey. I'll just say that. And let's get into it right now. Alright, so here's how to write it. Here's how to do the mag strip. So you got your card. I already have numbers on it because I've used this before. So you're going to want to get your track 2 and track 1. And you're going to want to paste that in there. Get your track 1. Paste that in there. Alright, now once you have that, you just click write. And then you swipe. Right card, okay. It says that, you're good. So then you could close out of that, and there's the mag strip. Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys down here where my OmniKey is, which is right here, just under my computer. So yeah, so you're gonna want to get your track 2, copy that, paste it into there, and then you just want to insert your card, obviously. It should start blinking, and then when it turns green, just click format chip, and keep clicking format until a command screen pops up. So, because if it doesn't, that means it's not doing shit. There we go. Alright, that's formatting success. So now you're going to want to save it. Let's go say saving information. And once the light turns green again, you can stop. Alright, that's done. Pull it out. And there you go. That's all you get. That's all you have to do. And next step is ATR tools, and this part's pretty easy. You're just gonna wanna pull up ATR tools, reader, select OmniKey, whichever card, select J2A040, default. Now you're gonna want to look at what bank your dump is. Mine is Bank of America, so you're just gonna, and conveniently it's at the very top, so Bank of America, and then you just want to click set. Change ATR success. You're done with that. So on to our next step, X2, which this is what writes the chip. This shit. So pull up EMV, pull up your dump, get your track 2, copy that, card hole name, erase that, application label is Visa debit or whatever yours is. If it's a credit, Visa credit, whatever. Track 1 discretion, enable that. Click Visa. The AID for America, no, for not America, for Visa is 31010, and I'm pretty sure for MasterCard it's 41010, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure, but since it's a Visa, I'm gonna put 31010. My PIN 8348. So you're gonna want to copy that PIN, paste it in. Currency for US is 0840. Don't know, you gotta check what your country is. Your country code is also 0840. So make your rater OmniKey. You want to only change the expiration date. You don't need to fuck with. Alright, so you're gonna want to get your expiration date. Mine is 0526, right? So it's gonna go year, month, and then the number of days in the month that your expiration date is. So that would be 26/05. Then you want to go to your calendar. What's the 5th month? January, February, March, April, May. May has 31 days, so you're gonna put 31. And that's all you gotta do. Click credit. Don't click that shit. I don't even know what it is. Just always click credit. Your OmniKey should start blinking. And complete a job. Next step, the IST. This part's pretty easy too. You got the track 2, the application level, all the shit. It's the same stuff. You just copy and paste all this into here. But we have to go find the IST. I can hook you up with the IST folder. I sell them on my Telegram. So yeah, you're just gonna find your Bank of America Platinum. So just look up Bank BOA Visa Debit Platinum right here. Boom. There you go. Track 2. Same shit here. Race. Track 1. Just copy that. Paste that. Country code is 0840 for US. Currency is 0840 for US. Now, next step is ArcGen. So let's pull up ArcGen right here. So you're gonna want to put your PAN, the card number in, which is the first set of numbers right here. You're just gonna want to paste that. So the date is actually not the expiration date, it's the day you're going to hit the dump, going to make the transaction. So say we're going today, that would be 22/02/21. Country code, and that's where a lot of people mess up, so don't fuck that part up. The country code is, for me it's US, so I'm going to find USA. Currency code USD, and that's all you have to do. And then you're just going to want to click generate arc. You're going to want to copy that, the arc, and then you have to get the second and third arc. So you're going to want to change the ITC, change the 1 just to a 2, click generate, and then you got the second arc, and then arc 3, generate, boom, boom, and then you want to click burn. Card should start blinking, and we are good to go. So that's everything that you have to do. Your card should be ready, but if you want to check that all the info's right, hit up CardPeek and the CardPeek is basically so you can read what's on the card. It'll show all the information, so you're going to want to click Analyzer, EMV. There you go. It should say this. Just say yes to all of it. You didn't do anything wrong. It just does that. So this will take a little bit, so I'll cut back to when it's done. Alright, so here we are. Shit is looking good. Got all your information. Valid ATMs, valid. And now you should be good to go. Go to the ATM and hit your dumps. I hope this helped, and I will see y'all later.